Come on. Drip. Drip. This one's pretty good. Yeah. It's frustrating. Fuck. Go. I can't see if there is a hole or not. I don't think there is. I need more heat. Yeah. Bloody wind! It doesn't have to be hot enough. And the thing is wobbling. Oh, what a pain in the ass. It's not working. failure. It's too fast now. Look. I've tried leaving the nail in the hole, but it's still very fast. And I want it dripping. Don't know what to do. I've just put some tape on the hole that I've made. It seems to have worked a little bit. It's the flow is not too heavy. Look. But still not the flow I want, so I'll keep trying. I don't know what's wrong with this one, because the other one I've made yesterday, and I haven't even used any holes on top. It's just, you see? And it drips perfectly. It drips the right amount, the amount I want. I don't know what I've done differently. Well, I'll keep trying. Yeah, very frustrating when you try to do something and it doesn't work. We need just the right amount of oxygen going in to make it work and drip slowly. That's what I want. I don't know, maybe I'll just leave it like that. It's not too bad now. Look. Yeah, I think it's too fast. And this one I made yesterday. There's no holes, it's just sucking in, you see? And it drips slowly. Well, yeah, I'll keep trying. I'll make another one. So, see you in the next one. I hope my plants don't die, really, because it's a lot of work and I love them. So, it's frustrating when you imagine something in your mind and when you get to do it, it doesn't work the way you wanted it to. Oh. Yeah, it's not helping my PMS as well, so I feel really, really a failure now. Okay, bye.